Back to the hotel.
Hey, mommy.
Hi. Back to the hotel kami ngayon. She's changing. Sige, magganyan ka. Hi, Dexy. So, ito yung view namin. Ayan. Wow, ang ganda na kasi kahapon. Ano siya, cloudy, no? At parang madilim-dilim. So, yeah, you can do like that. Yeah. Ate, can I assist her? So, ito yung view namin here. Yeah. So, ito. So, dun kami kanina galing. Nag-boating kami there. Yes. Here. Ayan yung view namin dito sa hotel namin. So, maganda tong nakuha naming hotel. Marriott on the Falls. Yan ang kanyang pangalan. Ayan, ang ganda. Just sharing you the view, guys. Diba? Ang ganda. It's mio. Ang masabi mo, just mio.
Wala tayong, remember ko what's mama, wala pa lang tayong mga life.
So, we're preparing for our birthday cake session.
Where's my princess?
Yan. So, nagpre-prepare kami. May I-share namin sa inyo.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start to rise up and shine.
Ayan, busy na ang family. It's August 11. Birthday talaga namin ni Dexa. Hi! So, birthday talaga namin ni Dexa today. It's August 11. So, talagang pinaghandaan namin today. Okay na yan. Konti lang. Okay na yan. That's it. Yeah, kasi pumutok yung una. Yeah. Yan ang pinagbibili nila sa Party City, yung iba, tsaka Dalarama. Dexa, isusuot mo to?
No.
Yeah, I think so. You have to. Dexa, suot mo to? Yan. So, Dexa, you want to use this? And so, oy, my birthday headband ka, Dexa, here. Dapat suot mo pala yan today. Yan. So, binilhan din pala ako nila ng ganito. Tapos, this is my candle. And Dexa's balloon and Dexa's cake. Candles. Ay, ayaw ni Dexy. Dexy, ayaw mo? Sa bahay na lang. So, I think you don't have to make everything, guys. Kasi sa atin na din. Sukan natin sa atin. So, buti lang dala namin itong balloon body namin, which is, oh, that's too big, that madaling pumutok. Yeah. Ayan na, busy na. So, thank you, ate, for arranging that table. Wow! Arrange na ni ate. So, yan lang. Simple celebration here in Niagara Falls.
Let me prepare the table.
Yeah.
Dito kayo, may daba. Dito kayo.
So, ito yung cake ni Dexa this year. So, ito daw yung cake ko. Biruin mo yun. Ang laki naman ata ng difference. And yung chocolates na binili nila sa Hershey's. So, ayan, baby. Do it. Anong gusto mo? Mag-prepare ka pa, sabi mo? So, ito na i-set up mo na to dyan. Oh, yes. Sige. Sige. Busy lang ang family. Yan din si Dexa. Busy ang birthday girl. Where's that birthday girl? Okay, go. Marunong ka? Marunong siya, Daddy?
Yeah.
Ah! Okay. Okay na yan. Huwag mo masyado. Natatakot ako kasi pag masyadong madaling pumutok yan. Yeah. Okay. One more. Wow! Paano mo, Dexa?
Is this enough balloon?
Okay, yeah, that's enough balloon maybe.
I think
That's
just
enough.
one more.
A lot of other balloons there.
Hindi, ubus na lahat.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Texas.
Yeah. Ah! Ano nangyari sa inyo?
I let it go. There was aim and then he let it go.
Oh.
It flied away.
Ayan, oh, ang ganda niya pag ganitong oras. Sarap ningningan. Yeah. So, yan, ginagawa na ni Dexy yung kanyang 6th. Number 6.
Wala masyado yung Sheraton. Yung parang ganun.
Oh, yes. Wala to. Iba nga. Yun ang view nga nila. Hindi talaga to. Yan. Yan. Pero yun nga, ang sabi ko nga sa inyo, baka pwede namang lakalakarin natin from here tayo. Mahirap ba? From hotel na here papunta doon?
Wala naman shortcut.
Yun lang. Ay! Yan, ang ganda naman ng setup ni Dexy this year. Thank you, baby. Ay, bakit dyan? Hindi pwede yun? Ay, baka mamaya maubusan ka ni hininga dyan. Ba't ginawa mong mano-mano yan, Dexy? Oh, special for your sister? Kasi may ganito tayo. Ginawa ni Dexy yun, Daddy, oh. Ayan, pwede namang ganyan. Oh, yeah, I know. Oh. Ay, ayaw niya? Parang hindi naman yan.
It's not working. Out.
There na, kay Daddy. Ayan.
This one's better, Mom. Mom, this one's
Yeah, I know. Mas maganda din pala yung silver. Dexa, can you please? Ang gulo ni Dexa. Baka mamaya biglang pumutok. Dexa, can you take care of that? Baka biglang pumutok. Ayan, still busy mga tao. Dexa! Ano ginagawa mo dyan? Ayusin pa natin yan, baby. Ayusin natin. Okay? So, almost done with this one. Preparing. Yan, so, ganito kami, guys, pag nagbo-birthday. Kasi nga, 3 na kami. Biruin mo, nakatipid na kami ng arigaga namin sa buhay pagka may birthday. Ayan. So, 3-in-1 na to. Ay! Ba't in-arrange mo pa? Si Dexa, busy siya sa birthday niya. Ganyan ka ba? Anong hinanda mo, Dexa? Adobo? May dinuguan ba dyan? Sinigang? Walang ganun eh, no? Sige. Wala lang. Cake lang. Okay na. View lang ang meron kami. Walang pagkain.
It's only a cake and
Dapat nag-ubig
na tayo.
While natutulog to, ayan ang dalawa nagpaplano kung saan kakain. Ano daw ang aming kakainin.
Rose friend.
Yeah. So, tulog si Dexa. So, while waiting for her, video muna tayo. Sharing experience here in Niagara. Nanamnam ko na tong view na to. Kasi tomorrow, baka iba na naman din ang makita naming view dun sa aming hotel doon. So, ito pala yun. So, ito pala galing yung water na yun. Body of water na nahuhulog dito sa falls. Yan. Tingnan nyo yun, no? Ang lawak ng body of water na to. So, etong hotel namin na to is dulo na. Wala nang hotel dito banda. Wala na akong nakita. So, ito, laki din, no? Pwede pala tayong bumiyahe pa ganyan, Daddy, tomorrow. Para tingnan natin kung anong meron doon. Yan, so, ito yung view sa baba. So, dito, ito is the public parking. So, magbabayad ka dito na 35 a day. So, papark mo dyan, then makakaikot na kayo dito sa Niagara Parks na to. And then, hindi included yung mga other na mga parkings. Like, ginawa namin kanina sa cruise. So, nagbayad kami dun ng, I think I shared already, $11, 30 minutes. Yan. Yun lang. Okay naman. Sulit naman din. Kahit ganun na medyo costly. Importante na-enjoy naman natin. Yun lang. Tsaka naging convenient din kami kasi maliit pa nga si Dexa. So, ayan na yung view. So, ito yung cruise. I don't know kung nakikita nyo sa view. Ayan. Ito yung sa bandang cruise. Hindi ko na i-zoom para at least makita nyo na maayos. At saka magandang tingnan. So, ito yung cruise. Tapos, ito yung falls. Tapos, ito yung mga paligid niya. Ito yung sa park na to. So, dito namin kinuha. I think itong building na to, diyan namin kinuha yung passes namin. So, marami pa kaming activity for tomorrow and 13. Meron pa kaming mga activity na ganoon. So, kapag pupunta ka pala dito, parang maganda din na kumuha na ng pass. Kasi nga, masusulit mo din yung mga magagandang view talaga dito. So, dun sa pass, in-include na nila yung mga gusto nyong puntahan. Like, mas makamura ka nung kinumpare ni Dexy na isa-isa mo dapat kunin. Mas makamura daw, sabi niya. So, yun, we get a pass. I think yung intermediate lang kinuha namin yung sa gitna. Kasi kapag kukunin din namin yung marami na, sa 4 days namin, like 3 days ka mo na lang kasi yung 5 days na yun, yung 1 day is yung papunta here. Tapos yung pang 5th day namin is yun yung pabalik sa Calgary. So yung 3 days mo, sobrang hectic na din schedule mo. Convenient pa kami kasi may sarili kaming sasakyan. Kung hindi, medyo mahirap talaga din na mag-travel here. Even though sabihin nila na accessible lahat sa bus, parang ganun-ganun. Kasi nga, yung bus, padaan-daan din kung saan, kung may nabol kang time. Like time frame ng mga, may mga time kasi dito, I mean. Yung cruise, may time din yan kung anong gusto mong time. Tapos yung pupuntahan namin tomorrow, like cable. What cable is that, Dexy? Oo, Aerocar na yun. May time din. At saka yung isa pa. Yung isa pa na ano namin is may time din. Lang just sharing to you yung experience namin here in Niagara. Happy birthday! So yan, hinanamnam namin ni husband.
Yun yung tulay na yun, pagtawid mo yun, John.
Yeah,
US border.
dito. Yan, tulay.
So nakikita mo yung cross nun sa kabila.
Yeah. Border, US
Part
border.
naman ng US yun.
Yeah, part ng US. So, yeah.
So iikot din yun dito.
Yeah, it's a very nice place though. Ipon-ipon lang para makapunta here kasi magpa-flight ka going here. So I think
ano pala yun?
yung ginugal natin,
parang
tunnel?
Yung building na yan.
Yeah, this one. Pupunta tayo dyan, tunnel. So nakita mo nung nag-cruise tayo, may parang palabas. Yun. Tunnel at saka behind the falls. Yeah. Yeah. So yun. Kasi netong si husband, sabi niya sa amin, ang tagal-tagal, ba't 3 days kayo? Doon kayo talaga mag-stay. Wala namang gagawin doon. Anong walang gagawin? Ang dami. Kulang. Kapag meron kang passes.
Mga water parks.
Yeah, hindi pa nga namin napuntahan actually. So, kulang yung 3 days mo na whole day. Kaya,
ilan na tayo dito? 5 days tayo?
no, it's only 3 days. The 2 days is yung travel time na natin.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
No, 14 is pabalik. Yung 10 papunta dito. So, the full day is only the
Papunta
3.
yung 10.
10. 11.
Para 5 days na.
Yeah. Ganun nga, pero yun nga, sa travel time mo, hindi mo din ma-enjoy kasi pagod ka. So, yeah. So, kasi malayo. Airport pa lang is 3 AM na kami nagising. Yun nga, kwento ko lang. 3 AM nagising, and then, syempre, pagod ka puyat, tapos mag-travel ka ng 4 hours. Pagdating mo sa Toronto, pinick up namin yung rental car namin. 1 hour pa pabiyahe dito. May bata ka. Pagdating mo dito, kukuha ka pa ng passes.
Kakain ka muna.
Yeah. Then, kumuha kami ng passes sa hapon na pagdating namin dito para wala na kaming gagawin. Parang gano'n. Kasi yung travel time mo, the whole time ng 10, yun talaga yung ginawa lang natin. So, hindi tayo masyado
So,
nag-activity.
nag-travel kami tapos ito siya natulog na.
Natulog lang. Asa natulog? Iyon! Wakas, nagising na siya. Ang birthday girl din. Aside from my birthday kasi, birthday din ni Dexa. And then Dexy will be turning 13 din this coming 15. August 15.
Dexa, don't move them.
So, pipictorial natin si Dexa and we'll sing happy birthday. Although guys, hindi namin nasindihan to kasi bawal dito pala. Oh. Yeah, masyadong sensitive ng kanilang fire alarm. So, makanta tayo but you don't have to blow your cake, okay?
But when you go home, can we just do
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Are you 1? Are you 2? Si ate nag-video. Are you 4? Are you 5? Are you 6? Wow! Happy birthday!
eat a kisses?
Yeah.
Because you can't blow.
Happy birthday!
Yeah, happy birthday, baby! Ayan ang cake niya this year. Very simple from...
Red ganache.
Yeah, Red Ganache. Yan. Take a photo na kay Dexa, guys. Pa-photo na namin siya and then kakainin na natin tong cake.
Okay.
Lagay natin sa cheeks niya.
Where's your balloon? Number 6 balloon.
Okay.
Where's your 6 balloon?
Where's your 6 balloon? Yeah. Make
Dapat
photo.
sa 7th birthday ni Dexa, dapat
Yeah.
dalawa yung cakes natin kuha. Isa, iganon natin yung mukha.
Sobra naman yan, Dixie, ang suggestion mo. Ikaw kaya? Okay, stand naman. We'll make some photo kay Dexa. Stand for Dexa's pictorial. Ayan ang view ni Dexa on her birthday. Come on, stand up.
Stand up!
Pictorial ni Dexa. Kami-kami lang nagpicture na sa kanya here. Yan si ate.
Okay, cake
Yan,
time!
cake time. Wow. Thank you, ate, for taking that beautiful photo of Dexa.
Apat lang nakuha ko.
And
Okay,
this
it's
is
okay.
my
Yeah.
candle.
Candle. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Eating the cake time. Yeah.
Where do you want to do?
I want to do
The birthday girl eating the cake.
Okay, let me help you. So, right here.
Yeah.
Okay, let's remove this. Mommy, you take that.
Give me.
So, like right here with the fruits.
I think you have to. Why you don't like to
She
cut it?
wants, no, she wants fruits.
Oh.
Here, take a strawberry. Then you can have this slice.
Yeah, you can have this.
Okay, you wanna cut it this way?
Yeah.
This push it down.
I'm so excited with that cake. Dexa's cake. Yeah.
It is. Do you remember what it is? What did we order?
cheese.
No.
What?
What flavor is that?
Strawberry shortcake
Strawberry shortcake.
of red ganache.
Yeah.
Red.
Ah, kumain ako chocolate.
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the